Good question. One of the things that I noticed was that my clients were letting these big distractions become their whole lives. And so, for one client, it might be her family. Like, she can't get anything done because her family, her family, her family. And, for another client, it might be his job. He's like, oh my God, I got to bring home work every night. My job, my job, my job. And so these big distractions become more important, a higher priority, and taking up so much space and energy in their lives that they're actually not even really having a life. And they don't realize it, of course. It's just, they've got this problem and the problem needs to be solved. And so what we do is we get down to brass tacks. We actually have a look at, what are you choosing to allow to become more important to you than your own life, and more important to you than actually making a life and living? Are these big distractions taking money out of your bank account? And in most cases, they are. They're stopping you from creating what you're here to create on the planet. And so, what do we do about that? And so that's where big distractions or big money came from. I'm a Right Riches certified facilitator. And so what I do is help people have a look at what's stopping them from creating money. And, access consciousness always talks about it's never the money. And so if that's the first thing that you've ever heard about access consciousness, it's been around for 30 years and is facilitated in over 24 languages on every continent. And what it does is it empowers you to know that you actually do know what it is that you're here to create. And so pragmatic tools and processes to help change things more dynamically than anything I've ever experienced. And I have been a lifelong learner. And so what will you create with big distractions or big money? Well, quite possibly you'll create what some of my other clients have created, which is hundreds of thousands of dollars coming in, and also more facility with being able to have money. Because most of us are able to create money, but it comes in and it goes out even faster than it comes in. And so what would it be like if you could actually have money? And what would that change?